Cooper is one of the coolest little hatchbacks in the world and also the most expensive hatch you can buy in India. Earlier this year, Mini India launched its facelifted or LCI version of the Cooper in India, and it got a fair few updates both on the outside and inside. But now, keeping up with the festive season, Mini India has decided to bring in its first ever special edition on this new model. So what is it all about? It's called the Oxford edition, and that's for a reason. It actually pays homage to the Oxford factory in the United Kingdom, where the Mini has been made since its inception over 50 years ago, and it's still made today. But this has a whole bunch more upgrades as compared to the normal standard LCI version. But let's start with those. Of course, you get those new LED daytime running lights and the LED headlamps as standard, but what you do get as an addition is all this blacked out trim. So for example, you get a blacked out grille for the first time on a Cooper S. You also get the blacked out surrounds on the headlamps, and you get the aero kit on the bumper as standard too. You also get, of course, a blacked out roof, which is a combination to this new color that is offered specifically for this model. It's called Solaris Orange, and I think it looks absolutely spectacular. And if you do want one, you can get a black car with the Solaris Orange contrast roof too. But you do get a whole bunch more, and that's what we're going to show you now. The Mini Cooper S Oxford edition will be available in just those two color combinations as I mentioned earlier, and the limited edition will also be restricted to just 25 units. In fact, Mini has actually put the 1 of 25 logo using a little illumination pack below the car. And while this might look a bit daft, it is daft enough to be cool, and I personally love it. Of course, the big talking point on the Mini Cooper facelift, and one that goes on to the special edition Oxford, are the Union Jack tail lamps. The car also gets the John Cooper Works spoiler, and just like with the front bumper, the aero kit is on the rear bumper too. I really do dig these tail lights, but then I might have a bit of a colonial hangover. That said, there are even more customized options on this special edition as compared to the normal one. The list keeps going on and on. Now, we've shown you those Go Faster stripes on the bonnet and on the boot lid. Of course, you've got these on the side too, and it does say Oxford, so it tells the world what special edition this is. And those wheels are one-off for this car. You only get them on this one, and if you do want to actually spec them on a normal Cooper S, that's 3 lakh rupees a set, so they aren't cheap. But the real cool part, the real talking point about this Oxford edition is the fact that BMW India and Mini India now give these 3D printed parts on this special edition. Now, it's not available in India yet, but on this version it is. Now, this part is custom printed for this model, so it's just 25 units of this car. So I'm going to get those custom printed ones, and they come in a really cool box too. Now, of course, the ones in this now are the older ones, so the standard Cooper S ones, but they have been replaced by those 3D printed parts. The possibilities are endless, but those cool touches really make the Oxford edition special, because it's stuff like this that people, Mini owners especially, really want to have on their car. of the other cool features in the Oxford edition, of course, is the fact that you now get a very cool looking phone mount. Now, usually you would put the phone in, say, the cup holder, but in this case you can actually mount it straight to the car, and it's all integrated, so it's really well built. And you just plug it in this way and it moves either horizontally or vertically as we want it. And the best part is that you also have a little USB slot here, so you can route a wire through this. And although yes, you do risk like looking like an Uber driver maybe, it just does look so cool. It looks so well integrated with everything, and that really works for me especially. But the point of a Cooper S isn't just to sit in traffic or on your driveway and look pretty. It is pretty much a go-kart for the road and urges you to have a little more confidence and fun. So let's get on the road and see how it drives. Now, while the Cooper S Oxford edition does get a whole bunch of upgrades on the exterior and the interior, that actually does make the car a much nicer package than, say, a standard Cooper S is. You still get a 2-liter turbocharged engine, you still get 189 horsepower to play with in a car the size of a Matchbox car, and you still get 280 Newton meters of torque, and by no stretch of imagination is that a bad thing. 0 to 100 is still about 6.5 seconds, a little more than that, and it does still make you have a big massive grin on your face every time you see a set of corners. And even with rough roads, it still does actually manage to go through without much of a fuss, which is surprising considering the fact that this is tuned for handling rather than comfort. The Mini Cooper S Oxford edition will only be available online through Amazon, and since it will be restricted to just 25 units, we expect them to sell out in a matter of days. After all, with a price tag of 44,90,000 rupees, it might look and sound expensive, but when you compare it to the sheer amount of optional extras that you get on standard with this car as compared to a normal Cooper S, you really do start to see the difference. All in all, cool updates on the interior and exterior, fun to look at, especially in that color, and most certainly an absolute hoot to drive. The Cooper S Oxford edition is for someone who wants to have a special edition of an already special car to make him feel a little more special too.